2020 has been one crazy and unprecedented year. COVID has made the world stop and take account of a great many things. It has forced us to look at things differently. It has forced us to work differently. Our home lives and work lives have gone through and will continue to go through some significant changes. In the design and manufacturing industry, we have had to change how we communicate and collaborate. We've needed to retool. Javelin Technologies have been working hard alongside our clients to provide solutions and services to solve these challenges. One of the biggest challenges is how you access your most valuable asset, your data. How do you give access in a controlled and secure way to this new remote workforce? The first problem is simply the infrastructure needed to provide you secure access while maintaining fast performance, especially for those large CAD data files many of you work with every day. Many companies have data all over the place, local drives, different network shares. This is just compounding the problem. The second problem is how do you control who is editing what file and working collaboratively? Not as simple as yelling over the cubicle wall to close out of a data set. For those companies that are not invested in a data management system to this point are really beginning to understand the value of centralized and secure data. If you aren't working with a data management solution like SOLIDWORKS PDM or SOLIDWORKS Manage, this is definitely the time to start. Not only do these solutions centralize and secure your data, but they allow you to pull more value from your data and increase the productivity of your team. Connecting data through a digital thread makes finding information so much easier. Automating administrative tasks like creating consumable files like PDFs and leveraging workflow to notify people and understand your project status is just scratching the surface of what is available. Once your data is in a controlled and centralized location, next is how do you connect to it from outside the office? Javelin Technologies has put a lot of time and effort into researching cloud solutions. We have knowledgeable and certified staff to help you understand the options and services provided by AWS and Microsoft Azure. We help you sign up with these providers. Then we can deliver the services to implement or move your SOLIDWORKS PDM or Manage vaults to the cloud. By no means is this new technology. It's just taken some time for this industry to both understand and, more importantly, trust it. Although not natively written for the cloud, Javelin has done extensive testing and has successfully moved some of our clients' PDM and Manage vaults into the cloud. We are currently working with both Azure and AWS cloud services, and we are looking to add more to this list. Clients that made the move already are finding that the ease to connect and the performance have been great. Many also find that if they had previously set up replication servers, these are no longer required. The potential for reducing costs for internal infrastructure and upkeep is a huge bonus as well. There is another option for centralized data, the 3D Experience Works platform. This is Dassault Systèmes' answer to connecting data in departments in your organization. This system is built from the ground up for cloud computing and runs in the Dassault Systèmes infrastructure. The 3D Experience Works platform is a true cloud-based solution that includes PLM-level data management, collaboration tools, and so much more. The product model is different from what you are used to in SOLIDWORKS and its solution products. The 3D Experience Works platform, in a nutshell, is pulling together many of the different Dassault families, like Innovia, Simulia, Delmia, and SOLIDWORKS is one of those families. These are purchased as roles, and those roles come with specific applications or apps. Those apps are pulling together tools and technologies from the different families to suit everyone's job needs. Today, however, for those who are well invested in SOLIDWORKS PDM and SOLIDWORKS Manage, this is not likely the direction for you. This being said, there are still opportunities to benefit from what's in the platform that I will cover in more detail soon. Now we have centralized and accessible data. Next, we need to get the tools in the hands of our workforce. Some companies can ship and provide the hardware with the system requirements required for products like SOLIDWORKS and SOLIDWORKS Simulation to their employees. Sometimes this is not an option or practical. Here's where cloud can be your solution as well. AWS Workspaces and Azure VDIs are cloud-based workstations. Having any of the SOLIDWORKS tools running in a cloud infrastructure can be a great solution. Incredible graphics, RAM and CPU power. As I'm sure you've guessed, this technology is not free, but also keep in mind the possibility of savings of not needing to constantly upgrade and upkeep your current workstations, and the benefits of always working on state-of-the-art technology. Javelin Technologies can help guide you through all the options and technology to find the best solutions to meet your goals and budgets. Back to the 3D Experience Works platform. There are many cloud design solutions on the platform. To start, there is an X Design for feature-based modeling and X Sheet Metal for sheet metal design. Both are similar to what SOLIDWORKS offers, but not a replacement for SOLIDWORKS. Think about other departments, like a tooling department that could use a lighter solution to whip up a quick design to 3D print or machine. Because these are apps and they run in the cloud through any internet browser, you could be getting those ideas on paper, so to speak, from your iPad while sitting on a couch watching the final season of your favorite show. There's no need for a powerful workstation to run. There are many other apps that can complement or extend the capabilities of your SOLIDWORKS. X-Shape gives you sub-D modeling capabilities. This is the push and pull or clay-like functionality customers have been wanting. X-Generative Design is another app that through algorithmic functions, you can generate amazing and complex geometry never thought possible in SOLIDWORKS alone. When it comes to design validation and testing, the platform has the structural engineer roles from the Simulia family. These bring linear and nonlinear analysis types based on the world-proven Abacus solver. Best of all, you have a choice to use the local workstation or cloud computing power to run the simulation. This is just the beginning. The 3D Experience platform can extend into every corner of your organization by bringing task management and project planning tools. Or manufacturing can use the NC shop floor rules for CNC programming. Or the Lean Team member role to facilitate lean principles to capture, monitor, and track operational meetings. This technology could be complementing those companies currently using SOLIDWORKS PDM or Manage. You could maintain your data management in these systems, but take advantage of some of the design and validation roles in your design process. This idea also leads nicely into one of the most powerful areas of the 3D Experience platform. It's collaboration tools. I think everyone can agree email is our go-to communication tool still. However, like the fax machine, it is quickly becoming out of date and inefficient. How much time is wasted sending emails, searching for emails, forgetting to reply all, or having data stuck in someone else's email box that pertains to a project or team? You likely also deal with other disconnected systems for instant messaging or video conferencing. The 3D Experience platform pulls all of this into one place and makes everything much more efficient. When you first log into the platform, you'll be looking at your dashboard that is configured to you and/or your team. The most common app to start with is the Swim Community app. This links you to all the communities you are a member of. These could be project-specific, company-wide, or public. Here you can read, comment, and collaborate through posts, questions, ideas, surveys, and tasks. These can also be connected to your data. Any activity that happens in the platform that you are part of, you will get immediately notified of any changes to make sure you are up to date. There is also an area for instant messaging and video calling for one-on-one or team meetings. We've discussed a ton of technology here with a lot of different options. The benefits of centralizing data, cloud versus on-premise applications, and how Javelin is helping to keep customers on the leading edge of technology. I hope you have a better understanding of some of the choices you have available to you. Be sure to leverage the partnership you have with Javelin Technologies. Start the discussion to navigate and find the best solution to meet your budgets and your goals.